Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Freelander. So from any screen here, you can, if you go to phone, you'll see there if there's nothing connected already, it'll just show you a list of what could actually be connected. And you'll see there Barry's iPhone. I want to delete that. Delete Barry's iPhone Pro. Yes. That's it. Gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Freelander. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, we click phone, search new, and then you've got either vehicle to device or device to vehicle. Now, I'm going to try vehicle to device, but there has been a new update on Apple's, and it's just made it a bit difficult a couple of times. Sometimes it doesn't work properly, so I'm going to try it anyway, and if not, we'll go from device to vehicle. Oh, it's picked it up, that's okay. So search new, it's picked up my phone, Barry's iPhone 12, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 0105 on handset. Now the reason I use vehicle to device is because it generates a random PIN code rather than you having to put in a PIN code in your phone and then put the same PIN code. It just saves you a few clicks. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow, so it's Land Rover there, connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. There you go, it's come up connected, Land Rover connected. We're just waiting for it, phone connected, and it's also, my smartwatch has just beeped to tell me that the phone and everything's connected too. So that's how you connect a phone. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Land Rover Freelander. It's not just iTunes. If you're playing something on YouTube, any audio from the video track will come through the speakers. Same with Spotify, same with Amazon Prime, and so on. So all we need to do is we go to your music, Joni Mitchell. I'm going to turn that down because I'll get a copyright strike if I don't. That don't look like it's going down, so I'll do that. Don't know what's happening. So you see at the bottom there, it says Land Rover. Just click on that. iPhone or Land Rover. If there's no tick next to Land Rover, you just need to touch it and tick it. So that's turned down. We go over to the system, and you've got home, nav, phone, and audio video. Now, if it's on home menu, you can click on audio video there, or click on that button. And you'll see there, that's actually on DVD at the moment, and it just says My Music, so you can't really see anywhere, you know, that looks like you'll be able to play your Bluetooth. What you have to do, you click My Music, click on My Music. It's actually come on to Bluetooth, but I'm just to make it 1,000,000% clear, I'll just change that to USB. So we'll go off, just wait for it to come on, and we'll go to something else. We'll go right. So we'll try again. So it's got Land Rover there. We'll go back to audio video. Nothing showing there, and it's saying please connect device. Now that's the USB symbol, which is actually in here. You plug in your iPod or something in there to the USB. So that's not what we want, but there's a plus here. We click on the plus, and there you've got a choice. Barry's iPhone, that's the one we want. Oh, sorry, I've timed out. I'll do it again. Barry's iPhone, and you'll see there Joni Mitchell, A Chair in the Sky. Joni Mitchell's playing here. I'll turn it up very, very quickly. Turn that up, and then very, very quickly here, just so you know it's definitely playing. There you go. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2012 Land Rover Freelander. From any screen, you've got nav here, or if you're on the home menu, it's even easier from here, because on the home menu there you've got the on-road nav, current position, and destination entry. So all you have to do from the home menu is click destination entry, and then it's asking you for postcode. Now if you're on another screen, we'll go to audio video, we'll go to radio, make sure that's turned down. So we're on radio. Now if you go in it via the other screen, which is nav here, you'll see their destination entries up there. So destination entry, postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now it's defaulted to numbers, which is a good system because not all of them do that. Sometimes you have to find the 0 to 9 and click on that and then click back. And as you can see, it's gone back to letters as well there. So PR5 4JS. That's it there. PR5 4JS. Yes, you've got it right. Click OK. And then we have to click go there. Destination is nearby. Well, it's very nearby because we're set on the full cut. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.